How's it going, everybody? In this tutorial I'm going to be going over one of my favorite features, and this is our membership feature. The membership feature is a great solution for creating groups, users, and guest login ability while controlling each tab feature they have access to. Additionally, you will now have the ability to send push notifications to these accounts specifically, giving you an entirely new level of control over your messaging. This set of features was built with many types of businesses in mind, from education to enterprise, so these robust features allow for advanced yet simplified control over your beloved applications. Note, we recommend disabling the membership tab before publishing for iOS, otherwise you'll need to provide Apple with the login info so they can view the app. If they don't receive the login info via iTunes Connect before the app goes into review, they will reject it. So make sure to not have this feature live when you are submitting your app, but setting up is very simple. The first step is heading over to the build section, where I'm going to add a membership feature by clicking the add feature button in the top left corner, scrolling down, and you can search too. You can type in membership, and then you have a description of the feature right here too, so you can kind of get an idea of what it does and how it's going to benefit your mobile application and your customers. So I'm going to call this just membership. Add this into the mobile application. Now scroll down on the left hand side to begin editing your membership feature. Now once this feature is active inside of your mobile application, it's going to completely change the way users log into your mobile application. When the app first launches, it's going to show a membership login for them to use, just like the one you see here. So you can adjust kind of the colors, whatever kind of suits your business. Play around with it. Now once you're done with this, we're going to move on to the types of logins that you want to have. So for single, if you just want basically a basic login, maybe it's an app for internal uses and you just want your app secure, so just people that you know. And a great example of this could be maybe for fraternity or organizations or just basically groups that have members and you give them one single login. And this could be example 1, and then the password is example 1 as well. So that's single app feature access. And so when they have this, you can enable them to access only certain types of features as well. So I'm just going to pick a few. And this is all they're going to see when they access the application. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save and preview the application just to give you an idea of how this kind of works. So now, as you can see, I'm going to need to type in example 1, then password example 1 to log into the application. And disregard the white background, this is just a demo application. Once I click login, I'll be able to access the features that I had designated inside of this mobile application that they have access to. Now moving on to the multiple groups, so you can add multiple groups. So we can say maybe we have full admin access where you give them access to all of the features. You can also add a group, maybe premium member, and you give them access to most of the features but not all the features. And then again, when I click this, you can bucket people in these groups. And so you can even have new member where they're just having access to just a few features. And so when you have multiple group types for your membership feature, you can add users one by one and invite them, and they'll receive an email that allows them to join your mobile application and again have access to these features right here. Or you can invite them in a group. You can upload a CSV file, so you can upload basically all the emails of your group that you want to send this to. So if you want to basically send out an email to all of your premium members to access the mobile application, it'll send them a nice email with your business's branding on it that shows them how to access the mobile app with a password. And for this example, you can just type in example at whatever, example at example.com, and they'll receive an email on how to access the mobile application. And so that email would be sent to the user, but even better is you can just upload a CSV file and then invite all of your users all at once. And what's really cool about this feature is if you want to send out, definitely want to save. So I'm going to go ahead and save this feature. So if you want to utilize push notifications, but you don't want to send it to everybody, you can send out a push notification such as group meeting tonight at 6 p.m. Make sure to be on time. Now I can go over here and select which people I want to send this to, and I'll select the group. I'm going to send it to maybe the premium members only, and then, or you can also select specific users as well to send really targeted push notifications. So a really powerful feature, very easy to set up, and once you send that out, they'll receive it, and only these people will receive it. So this can be great for schools, this can be great for sports organizations. There's a number of different use cases. One of my favorites is schools. If you have groups such as teachers, students, faculty, and parents, and then you're able to send out push notifications to just the parents or the students or whatever it may be. It really gives you a way to contact users based on what kind of group you want to put them in. And again, very easy to set up. Go to build, add new feature, and then begin customizing the membership feature. And then you can also customize the email invite as well. So this is kind of what they're going to be seeing when you send them an email about joining your mobile application. So you can customize this as well, which is the email that they will be receiving. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you guys create some membership features. Thanks everybody.